Welcome back to another day of trading. It is 6:30 and the market's open. It is December 11th, 2024. Today's Wednesday. We are waiting for the first 5 minutes to set our levels. We'll see what kind of trading day that we have. We have a few red label news events, one at 6:45, another at 7 o'clock today, and let's see. Oh, sorry, no, there's one at 6:45 and 7:30. So the market is probably going to be a little bit all over the place, choppy, lots of erratic movement. We'll see how everything shakes out. Got to be patient. So let's wait the next 5 minutes. See what our levels will be. All right, 6:35. Here's our levels. This is the pre-market high. This is actually previous day high. We have our 5-minute high. This is a previous day liquidity zone that we weren't able to get above. Looks like we're gravitating right up into it. And obviously this is the 5-minute low here. We broke above the 5-minute high. Not enough displacement or strength right now for me to consider this as like a little retest coming down in here. We shot up a ton pre-market, and then when the market opened right here, had a lot of strength to the upside. We are approaching all-time highs again, so I'm a little weary of which way the market wants to go right now. I do like how it's reacting to the previous day high. We could use this as a stronger level to work off of instead of this 5-minute high. Again, I'm just going to have some patience and see how we react. We are pretty close in these 3 levels. These are all potential zones to work off of. The strategy typically is the 5-minute high or 5-minute low. There are times where the previous day high or the pre-market high works as the zones that we're looking for to break out and retest off of. So we're kind of having a breakout above the previous day high. We retested into this zone, right into this level right here, and then we're having a strong candle right here. I want to see this candle close. Well, actually, looks like we're gonna break above the 5-minute high too. Let's just sit and wait, have a little patience, because we have news in 5 minutes. We broke above the previous day high. A really nice displacement here. We are retesting the previous day high right now. With this candle close, this is a pretty strong candle down. If it closes above this right here, wait for another candle to see how it reacts in this zone. Yeah, that's nice. We have 2 minutes. I'm not going to enter it in trade. Even though this is ideal setup of what I'm looking for the breakout retest. Alright, we got about 30 more seconds until news. We'll see how it reacts. But yeah, this was the perfect setup right here. Just so happened to happen within 2-3 minutes of some red label news. All right, not much of any reaction, unfortunately. Great. Well, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes with red label news, this could have easily just dropped and tanked right down to here, down to this level. Instead, it's gonna go shoot up. We broke through this liquidity zone. Now let's see if we could use this as a new level. It broke above. I'm gonna see come retest down here. into this, and then we'll take it for all-time highs. We are extremely overbought from this morning. Give me a pullback, and let's see if there's something that we could jump into. There's a lot of money that I could have capitalized on that I missed out on. Okay, here comes the pullback that I've been looking for. So 706.25 is all-time high. I jumped in on FOMO for sure. I'm gonna bring this down to here for my runner. Let me see how it reacts to this whole number, 21,700. Yeah. Typically, this is where people will start taking out their profits. We couldn't break this high of day right here, and now we're going to start seeing it downturn. Everyone's taking their profit. Alright, we created a little bit of a support zone right here, and then this is the resistance that we have to break above. The buyers need to reclaim back into this zone here and hopefully break above it. I'd love to see it hit all-time highs again. We're showing a lot of strength right now. The fact that we have this large wick on a tiny body for the candle. The buyers really stepped in here. I really want to be out of this trade. I'm up 15 points. It's not quite where I need it to be. We're losing steam again here. I don't want this to completely turn around on me, which we have right now. Doing. Breaking this downward, this upward trend line. We broke above this, got a little bit new, got above this zone here. We created a higher low from here to here, and then we just created another higher low right here. This is a higher high, this is a smaller higher high, and it looks like, there we go, we broke through that higher high right there. We hit high of day, or we broke all-time highs. It's toying with us right here. I might just close it out.
Order submitted.
I'm done. Very cool. Alright, we are done for the day. It didn't quite hit our target. We did break high of day, or we broke all-time highs, creating a new one at 21,708. I had, it was like just right at my mark for 30 points. I'm okay with not hitting that. Let's do a little quick recap. I got in right here, I watched this candle here, and then we had some strength. I wanted to jump in here, but I was super hesitant because of how high up we were. Oh look, it's getting there. We had tons of patience back here in this area. This was another zone right here that I wanted. It reacted perfectly. I wanted to jump in right here. Again, I was working off the 5-minute high instead of the previous day high. If I would have jumped in here, whew, that would have been a lot of money, but that's okay. Look at that. That's alright. We would have had, and I originally wanted to have it stop out right at here at a good whole number. That's alright. I'm happy with ending the day, $364. We are creating all-time highs, so no new levels above this to know where it could possibly go. I mean, this could be this is a new support level where you could potentially see this retrace back into here and then bounce again, but I'm done for the day. I'm happy with this trade. Well, not so happy with this trade. I'm happy that it ended green is all. So it's 7:08 and we're done. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow.